Welcome back to the Crochet Cruise. Let's play friends over at yarnspirations.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today is the final step of number 7, and this is the last section of doing one of the squares for the X marks the spot Afghan. So we're gonna do one more final round, and then you can attach it to its neighbor at this point, and then we have the diagrams in order to one diagram in order to do the full border of it. So you want to attach it at that point. So what we have here is this is where we are. And what we're going to do is one more layer, and we're going to attach to the middle one of the grouping of 3. We're gonna chain out 3 and then 4 double crochets in there, which gives you 5, and then it's gonna be 1 double crochet in each. Just because the diagram looks all wavy, your square should be pretty much square at this point. It's just for demonstration reasons for going up and down. And then in the middle one of the grouping of 3, it's gonna be 5 double crochets. So let's do round number 7 or step number 7. So what we want to do is we want to get our yarn ready and go to the middle one of the group of 3 and just attach and chain 3. And in the same one we want to put in a total of 4 more double crochets. So the chain 3 and the 4 gives you a count of 5 double crochets in a corner, so it allows it to turn. You're gonna start immediately in the next single crochet. If you go right up over top of the straggler, you won't have to sew it in later. And then you're just going to do 1 double crochet in each. You'll go all the way to the corner, and the grouping of 3, the middle one, is going to be 5 double crochets in the corner, and then it's 1 in each, then to the next, and etc. So please go all the way around, 1 double crochet in each except for the corners. It'll be 5. When you get all the way back around, you're just going to just double crochet right to the last one and then just join it to the top of the chain 3. So you are going to want to use a tapestry needle, go in and out 3 times in order to get this to be well hidden. And what we need to do then is we need to revisit that flower one more time, and we need to attach our flower to conclude this square. So let's go through some tips on adding this. So what I would do is tie almost a really short strand here of the slip knot, and I want you to put the other side onto a tapestry needle. Once you have that done, just go in the green section only, turn it over to the back side, and just pull it through some fibers and put that loop on, and then pull through and pull tight. And take this straggler that's right here, and you want to just kind of just do it even shorter so that it can get out of the way. It won't come out done. It's a knot. So you're now going to go to your project, and you're going to center it down to where you think it should go, and then just peel it back and just dive right in underneath the project. And pull through. And then it's just easier on my lap, but you just come up again, and when you pop it, you're gonna pop it right out to the flower itself because it's the same color. Just make sure it stays relatively center, and then back down through the flower right to the back of the project, and then up, and you're gonna circle all the way around inside only the green section. Once you've gone all the way around, just run your fingers up underneath and see if there's any gapping spaces, and in this case there's not, and back down to the other side. So you're gonna stay to the bottom side now, just pull nice and tight, and just tie it to a section here in the back, and then cut, and then your flower should be completed and sitting on your project just like so. So this would be how you would conclude it. So let's just quickly talk about the border next.